What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now. We're getting ready for break 785. It's a nice case of Premier, and we're giving away an autographed Freddie Anderson jersey. Beautiful jersey. It's a Toronto Arenas jersey, and it's also numbered, inscribed, number to 31, his number. So, let's get this rolling. We'll figure out who wins the jersey at the end, but right now we're live. Good luck. I know everybody's looking for Edmonton, of course. 3:19 on the clock. Anaheim to Winnipeg. Adam, spot 1. Andy, spot 30, guys. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 3:19. 3:19 it is. Last and final random on the teams. Fourth timestamp. 3:19. 3:19. Let's copy them over. Carolina, top spot. St. Louis at the halfway mark. So Vegas is supposed to be LA, guys. That's my bad. I had Vegas in there instead of LA. Buffalo to San Jose, and they would have been in the exact same spot. So no panic. Carolina, St. Louis, Buffalo to San Jose. Now it's time for the names. 3:20. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 3:20. 3:20, last and final should do it. Fourth and final timestamp says 3:20, and 3:20 it is. So let's copy him over. Clay, top spot. David, halfway mark. And then it's Les down to Andy. There's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you soon. Best of luck, guys.